Okay, love. So let me just briefly tell you what I have going on in our family room. I'm going to start with these bookshelves. The bookshelves came from CB2. The reindeer on the top shelf came from Z Gallery. The lanterns came from Z Gallery. The reindeer in the lantern came from Home Goods. The arrangement here came from Hobby Lobby. The Christmas tree came from Home Goods. The ceramic books from Z Gallery. The Ming boxes came from Z Gallery. The floral arrangement here is a DIY, but it actually came from Burlington, and the Christmas tree came from Home Goods. My mirrored fireplace actually came from Wayfair. It's out of stock right now, but I'll still place the link below. The Merry Christmas ribbon came from Craftex. All the ornaments on the ribbon actually came from Hobby Lobby. My nutcrackers here, or soldiers, came from Home Goods. That is my fireplace scene playing. So if you want to sit back, relax to 4 hours worth of fireplace scene, feel free to use that at your leisure. Moving on over here, I did the same thing to this bookshelf as I did to the other one. The Christmas tree actually came from Walmart. I think I've had this for maybe this is the second year that I've had this tree. Most of the decor on this tree came from Craftex, and the rest came from Hobby Lobby. Let me tell you what came from Craftex, and then you'll know the rest came from Hobby Lobby. Merry Christmas ribbon came from Craftex. The cake came from Craftex. The taller peppermint picks came from Craftex. Let's see here. What else came from Craftex? These funny looking balls here came from Craftex, but you can get these from Hobby Lobby. They're plastic from Hobby Lobby. So I'm thinking that the big lollipops here came from Craftex, and I'm thinking that's all that came from Craftex. Everything else came from Hobby Lobby. The Christmas boxes over here came from Walmart. Everything else from Hobby Lobby except for the little red truck. Yes, the little red truck actually came from Lowe's. It's super cute, and you can get your hands on that right now. So I'm up here. So the wreaths here is actually a DIY by me. What I did was I purchased a tree topper from At Home. It was like $7.99. It had all these different items on the tree topper. So I just pulled those items off of the tree topper and stuck them in the wreath, and I actually put some ribbon on here as well. Now, I do apologize because I never did get around to painting around the doorknobs of my door. Painted the door, still haven't did the trimming. So I just went ahead and did the video to get it out of the way. You guys are family. Charge it to my head, not to my heart. So these wall arts here came from Home Goods. Lamps came from Ross. The vases right here actually came from Home Goods. Candles from Home Goods. This beautiful candle holder here came from Bath and Body Works. Okay, loves, the wall art that's above my couch came from Kirkland's. I've had that for a couple of years. This peppermint pillow here actually came from, I think this peppermint pillow came from At Home, if I'm not mistaken, guys. This peppermint pillow here is a DIY by me. I showed you guys how I did those. These red pillow covers came from Amazon. And my waterfall is from Wayfair. I'll place a link to that. This mirror here actually came from, oh, I still have the tag on it. Again, you guys, charge that to my head, not to my heart. It actually came from Burlington. Okay, love, so I logged off and I took the tags off my mirror. I do apologize for that. I forgot to take the tags off the mirror, but it actually came from Burlington. And now, you know, here with this time change, it gets dark around 5:30 here in Houston. So now what I could do is I can show you this room with the lights off, and you know, so you can get that cozy Christmas hot chocolate, you know, feel here. And this is actually the time that I like to cuddle up on my couch, get one of my throws, and watch Netflix. So here you go. Okay, loves, I hope that each and every one of you have enjoyed this video, and I pray that this season is filled with joy and peace for each of you, with your loved ones and with your families. And I will see you all in my next video.